How does the criminal justice process work in Arizona? Well, first, it starts with an arrest. There are other ways that it can start. Some people call that long form, where police submit charges and they drop you off somewhere. Sometimes that happens in DUIs or other small offenses. The next thing that'll happen if you get arrested was an initial appearance will be set. At that hearing, your release conditions will be set by a commissioner. At that hearing, it's important to have an attorney if you can, so that you can argue to get released that day or modify your release conditions so your bond isn't too high, so you can post it and get out and return to your family. After that step, the state is going to have to prove probable cause so that your charges can proceed through the system. They'll either do that by a grand jury proceeding, or they'll do that by setting a preliminary hearing where the state will be required to show that probable cause to a judge. An attorney can help you manage either of those processes. Next, you'll have a series of court dates for felonies where judges will take a look at your case and hear from your attorneys about several types of issues. Release conditions, constitutional violations, discovery issues, because you have a right to review all of your police reports and all of the evidence against you, and you have a right to have an attorney file claims about any constitutional issues that may have arisen in your case. From that point on, then it's time for you to make a decision. Do you want to go to trial, or do you want to resolve your case, usually through some sort of plea agreement? An attorney can help you get the best plea agreement possible or defend you in trial. After that, you either are on your free merry way because your case resolved in a way that you're happy with, or you go towards trial and you get a trial outcome, acquittal or a guilty verdict or some mixture of the two. After that, you'll be set for sentencing, and then a judge will determine the punishment that you face if the worst case scenario happens and you're found guilty of some or all of your offenses.